So these are the sigarilyas in Europe, or wing bean. They are still very small, but they will going to die later if if um if there's a frost. So yeah. Oh my god, there are few beans in there, but they are very small, guys. How can you eat those? But still, I'm going to taste them. I don't know if it tastes like sigarilyas from the Philippines, but I definitely going to get them and eat them. So my nephew asked me, maybe this this wing bean has like peanut inside of them in their roots, because they look like peanut. Oops, let's pull them out if there's a peanut. No peanuts, it's just roots. And this one also, I'm going to pull it out. Oops, my friend, there's no peanut. It looks like peanuts, but it is not a peanut, it is a wing bean. So this is the plant, the flowers. It's still flowering, but sad to say, we have winter and it will not going to make it. So I'm going to get those fruits and try to cook them.